Hello people, it's Cezanne here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. Following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as Pokemon. So let's get started. So the Pokemon is a meme-based and decentralized community experiment in Binance Smart Chain, honoring the pocket monster we all know and love. So they have their own NFT marketplace, and Light Pepper mentioned. So let me tell you about Pokemon. Pokemon has prospects of becoming the hashtag one gaming NFT ecosystem, all that honoring the pocket monster we all know and love. Pokemon is a safe and secure project as its smart contract has successfully passed audit by Fight Against Rocks, which we call FAR, on May 7, 2021. They have their own things like PogDex, NFT gaming ecosystem, and community development. The area of development dedicated to implementation of Pokemon decentralized services such as marketplace auctions and Pokemon loot balls. As for the NFT gaming ecosystem, a broad direction aiming to make Pokemon the number one gaming NFT ecosystem out there. The ecosystem implies the following projects: Pokemon's NFT trading card game, BSC blockchain games NFT store, Pok Game Swap, and game currency exchange. The third direction is dedicated to the Pokemon trainer community development and contributing to solving the main issue of today through charity, Pokemon merch, and Pokemon mobile game launch. So there are a reflection or RFI static reward or passive income, LP acquisition, and burn. So static rewards are also known as reflection. Pokemon hodlers are rewarded simply by holding the Pokeball. 5% fee is redistributed to all the existing holders. LP acquisition, 5% is split so that half of it's exchanged to BNB and paired up with the other half, which stays in the Pokemon, becoming a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap. The third is burn. More than a half of total supply has been sent to a burned address, 580 trillion supply. The team will also consider burning Pokeballs manually. So they are listed on a lot of exchanges like Fighting Against Rocks, CoinGecko, and DApp, and CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, BSC, Big One, Binance Smart Chain, Fexia, How, BigX, and MyFengcha, and Pokemon organization. So the deflationary mechanics work in three directions. Automatic liquidity pool ensure a solid price floor and the advantage of hodlers over sellers, as the latter are forced to pay a penalty. Passive reward also encourage hodlers not to sell the coin in order to harvest the highest income. Finally, the manual burn is a transparent process that starts with the team's token burn before the launch. 1000 trillion total supply, 373 trillion circulating supply, 5% auto liquidity, 5% rewarded to the hodlers. So 59% tokens are burned, 32% goes to community supply, 7% goes to the pre-sale which will be locked in liquidity, 2% goes to the private sale. So this is their NFT marketplace. Selected artists and designers from the community of Pokemon Trainer will be invited to release the Pokemon branded NFTs and NFT game cards. They believe that unique pocket monster will instill excitement within their community and beyond, with the prospect of turning the head of NFT collector on the BSC. So this have their cute looking roadmap here. In zero stage conceptualization, development, website launch, light paper, private sale, and pre-sale. As for stage 1, NFT game cards release, Pokemon merch, attracting artists from broader community, Chinese localization, Japanese localization, and Korean localization. As for stage 4, NFT platform, PogDex launch, BSC blockchain games NFT, central exchange listing, and Pokemon loot balls and charity. As for stage 3, game swap marketing campaign, secret features, partnership, future development, Pokemon mobile game. Here are some frequently asked questions and useful links and their socials. Let's have a look at the coin market cap. This price is super low and it's been up 43%. As you can see, the 24-hour trading volume is 5.5 million with a percentage of 53%. This is a self-proclaimed circulating supply, and the market cap is also self-proclaimed, which is 12.3 million. And you can see the graph here. It was somehow here. All chart looks bearish graph. For 1 day graph, it's increasing and retaining its position. As you can see, it have broke 3 layers of resistance here, and it stopped here at all-time high, and then people sold their coins, and it shows a lot of support, and it's now going again. So if it reach on this its break, this resistance is gonna go to hashtag one biggest gainer on CoinMarketCap. It is being listed on PancakeSwap, xt.com, and BKEX. I will show you how to buy it on PancakeSwap. You can just click open the link in new tab from CoinMarketCap. You will be brought to this interface. For that you have to copy the address from here and paste it in a select a currency. Okay, so click import, click I understand, import. You have to connect your wallet. If you have an Android or iOS, you can install MetaMask or Trust Wallet. As for Google Chrome, you are on PC, you have to do it as an extension, install MetaMask as an extension, and load up some BNB to it. And after that, enter the amount for how much BNB you want PMON, and for 1 BNB you are getting this much PMON. Click swap and pump your bags with it. As for the hodlers report, let's have a look. So 12,129 hodlers are out there, and transfer of 33,961 have been made. As you can see the transfer report here, it's recent people are taking an interest in this project, and you can see the 64% goes to the burn address, which will increase the scarcity in the amount of supply and increase the price floor ultimately. And you can see people don't have that much tokens. If they sell it, it would go to rug pull, so it's safe. These 2% are locked in liquidity, which ensures stability of price. So this was all the analytics and website of the Pokemon. Let's have a look at their socials. So they have a Telegram here, which you can join by Pokemon official, writing in the Telegram search bar. 7,617 members on their Telegram, where you can join and talk to the community and share your ideas. They also have a Twitter, and you can follow them here and message them too. There are 8,341 followers on their Twitter, 160 tweets, and the last tweet was on June 4. Yeah, so they didn't post anything about after June 4. So if you want to stay updated with their project, you have to follow them on Twitter and Medium, where their blogs would be available. Welcome to Pokemon, the first deflationary token honoring our beloved pocket monster Pikachu. So they have a Reddit where you can create posts and people would answer you in comments and clear your doubts in mind, and you would know more about this project. So this was pretty much for Pokemon. If you are interested to buy this, you can buy this on PancakeSwap like I have shown you. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Digrimis, where we will bring you more gems from the crypto world. Thank you.